Hi, this is Jeff with Property Solutions, and I'm here to talk to you about short sales. And the most common question when I'm talking to homeowners that need short sales done is what happens to the losses that the bank incurs when a short sale is done. In other words, say a loan balance on a house is $150,000 and it is short sale down to $120,000. The mortgage company will take a $30,000 loss on that, and that's the most common question I get asked is what happens to that loss? Am I, as a homeowner, do I have to pay that back? Will I be taxed on it? What's the situation there? And it's a good reason this is the most common question, because it's probably the most important part of it for an actual homeowner that's going through a short sale. Those losses, around 70% of the time, when we're negotiating short sales here at Property Solutions, we get those losses totally forgiven. In other words, the mortgage company does not come after the homeowner in any way, shape, or form for those losses. There are a couple instances when mortgage companies will ask that a small monthly payment be paid back for a little bit of time. In other words, it's a note. You sign a promissory note to repay them a certain amount of money, and it's a pretty small amount every month that gets paid back with no interest to recoup some of the funds. It's nowhere near the amount of what's lost. Like if it's a $30,000 loss to the mortgage company, they normally ask for maybe the $5,000 to $10,000 note be signed, and again, make monthly payments on that. Pretty few and far between when that happens, but it does come up from time to time. We're going to negotiate and do everything we can to keep that from being the situation with the homeowners or sellers that we work short sales for. Every now and then another thing that the mortgage companies will ask for is that the homeowners pay a small amount or portion at the time of the sale or the short sale is done, in order for them to recoup some of their funds. To give you an example, I've got 2 properties right now out of we're working about 40 short sales. So you see 2 out of 40 I've got people that have to pay, so it is pretty rare. In both these instances, the mortgage companies that have the loan on the property have lost about $100,000 each. Okay, one of the properties, the mortgage company was asking that the homeowners pay $2,000 up front. They can either pay a note for, I don't know, $12,000, $13,000, I believe, or they can pay $2,000 at the time of sale, and everything will be called even. That's what the homeowners decided to do. Another instance, it was again about $100,000 loss for the homeowner. The mortgage company is asking that the homeowner or seller pay $900 at the time of sale. Normally, kind of how it works with the losses. Again, 70% of the time, the losses are totally forgiven, and that's what we're shooting for when we negotiate short sales for homeowners. So that's a rundown of what happens with the losses. If you want to contact us directly, if you are more interested in hearing about a short sale or how we can help you, there'll be some information on your screen at the end of this video for you to get in touch with us. All right, thank you, and I hope that was helpful for you.